get new tyres put on your bike, if you're only going to ride upright under the speed limit, yes, you can pay your mechanic to scrub them. This removes the wax. Personally, if you're going to ride hard or ride fast or ride or lean, then don't do that. Break them in yourself. It's a lot better for you, a lot better for the tyre, a lot better for the bike, and it's good practice. The road between Minehead and Lynmouth is really good for breaking in new tyres. I've not gone right over because mainly because I don't want to, but the other reason is that it's still pretty fucking icy. We've got kind of around the freezing temperature at the moment, so there's not too much traffic, and yeah, I get in there. Oh joy, just need to kill all the other people.